Hello guys, and welcome to the first class in the tutorial series for Foundations of Marketing. In this complete tutorial series, we'll try to understand basics of marketing, why it is used, concepts and few terminologies. In the current tutorial video, we'll go through the basic definition of marketing, like why it is required to have good understanding of marketing concepts, and we'll see few examples where marketing helped enhance business. So what is marketing? The center of any marketing practice is people or customer. Customers helps grow business, and marketing is nothing but the steps and procedures adopted to ensure like the long-term customer satisfaction. More specific view of marketing practice is being able to anticipate the next customer need and also deliver response to it. Most relatable example can be the revolution of smartphones. Companies are in constant experiment to deliver as per customer needs and to be better than competition. One marketing story is the success of Apple iPhone. iPhone was launched as an upmarket accessory to increase the sales of Apple computers. The iPod was better than competition in every factor, and still with much competitive price. It became huge success and helped to build Apple's brand value. Apple here identified the opportunity in portable music systems and used it to build brand's market value. Marketing goals. The aim of any business can vary from earning profits, earning customer base, earning market share, earning high revenue, etc. The outlining goal of marketing is to achieve these corporate goals through meeting and exceeding customer needs, because customers are central to any marketing practice. Also, the customer needs have to be achieved better than the competition. But even if customer needs are fulfilled through marketing, if business compromises over well-being of society, leads to permanent damage to brand. Therefore, societal marketing concept states that companies should deliver customer satisfaction in a way that improves both the customers and society's well-being. The Body Shop is one good example of organization where business model is based on the concept of societal marketing. Not all companies are marketing oriented. The broader classification of companies can be product oriented or market oriented. The thinking behind a product oriented organization is that a better product gains better result. Therefore, at each level of the organization, product is at the center. The questions asked in such organizations are how better we can make a product, or how fast or how much we can manufacture. These are no customers or customer needs in consideration. On the other hand, in a market oriented organization, the first part of discussion starts with customer needs. Then comes whether the market is in supportive condition to these needs. If yes, then products are marketed, that is, customers get to know about the product. If we say that pure focus on just marketing will enable you to achieve targets, then this will be incorrect to say. But even if making a better product is the goal, customer needs should be at center of business model. One good example is that of Gillette. Gillette has been successful in acquiring major market share in men's grooming range. It has always been a product oriented company with developments of successful Mark III razors and Gillette shaving foams. Gillette has proved that better products are centric to attaining higher growth numbers. But when Gillette acquired Duracell batteries in 1996, it tried to apply the same concept over durable batteries. The company focused on developing better and more reliable batteries, but this led to huge downfall in terms of price. The company was not able to understand beforehand that customers did not want long lasting batteries, but instead cheaper batteries. Since whole marketing concept revolves around customers, it is important to have as high customer value as possible. Customer value is based upon perceived benefits and perceived sacrifice. For a high for a high customer value, it is important to keep high perceived benefits and low perceived sacrifice. Perceived benefits include product quality, performance, services, and image of the company. Perceived sacrifice is not just the monetary price that customer pays. It can also be the psychological cost of not making the right decision. Uncertainty while purchasing means that people perceive risk. The key to marketing is to exceed the value offered by competition. Once a product has been purchased, customer satisfaction depends on its perceived performance compared to buyers' expectations. The relationship between presence of characteristic and customer satisfaction can be seen through the Kano model. The offered services can be classified into must-be's, performance drivers, and delighters. As you can see in the chart, the arrow marked in red shows curve for must-be services. These are basic services which, if not present, leads to dissatisfaction. For example, while booking a hotel, basic amenities like bed, drinking water, and heater are must-be's. Absence of these leads to high dissatisfaction. Another type of services fall under performance drivers. For example, calling a hotel reception, if not answered, leads to dissatisfaction to the customer, but if answered fast, leads to satisfaction. These services are also known as the more the better. The third kind of services are known as delighters. If these are absent, does not bother anyone, but if these are present, delights the customers. For example, complimentary drinks are offered in the minibar of hotel rooms. This leads to customer delight. Every business can classify its products or services into these three categories. This helps to understand the pain points of business as well as deciding on strategies. The marketing mix consists of 4 P's which directly affects the business performance. The 4 P's are product, price, promotions, and place. Product is defined by functionality, brand, and services which were used by the customer. Price is the monetary transactions involved in making a purchase. This includes listed price, discounts, credits, etc. Promotions involves how you make customers aware about the product's price or place. There are many ways of promotion, but which one best suit is also a choice to make. Place defines where do you keep your materials in terms of inventory, logistics, distributions, etc. To achieve maximum profit from the target market, it is important to have appropriate blend of these 4 P's. Since marketing mix is really important concept in marketing and can't be summarized in a single slide, we'll discuss this further in next couple of tutorials. That's all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.